Step into the realm of enhanced online security with our detailed tutorial on configuring custom SNI settings with HA Tunnel Plus VPN. In this comprehensive guide, we will navigate the intricacies of custom SNI to fortify your VPN connection and ensure a secure and encrypted browsing experience like never before. Let's embark on this journey to empower your digital presence with advanced privacy measures and personalized encryption settings. Step 1. Initiating the setup process. The first step in fortifying your online security is to access the Google Play Store and download the HA Tunnel Plus VPN application. Install the app on your device to commence the customization process for enhanced protection. Step 2. Navigating app settings. Upon successful installation, launch the HA Tunnel Plus VPN app and locate the settings menu by tapping on the three dots icon. This will serve as the gateway to tailoring your security settings to meet your specific needs. Step 3. Verifying up-to-date features. Ensuring that you have the latest features and security updates is paramount. Navigate to the Settings menu and select the Check Update option to validate that your app is equipped with the most recent enhancements for optimal performance. Step 4. Tailoring server selection. Customize your VPN connection by selecting a server of your choice or opting for the Auto Select feature, allowing the app to choose the most suitable server for seamless browsing. Step 5. Configuring port preferences. Fine-tune your browsing experience by choosing a specific port that aligns with your browsing requirements or opt for the auto-select mode for effortless port configuration. Step 6. Activating custom SNI setup. Embark on the path of enhanced security by activating the custom SNI feature using the radio button to initiate a personalized setup process to fortify your VPN connection. Step 7. Exploring advanced setup options. Delve deeper into the customization options by tapping on the arrowhead icon to reveal an array of advanced settings tailored to your security preferences. Step 8. Personalizing SNI settings. Navigate through the extended menu and select the Custom SNI feature to input specific server name indication settings that uniquely identify and secure your VPN connection. Step 9. Customizing encryption details. Input your personalized SNI details into the designated box to bolster your VPN connection with encryption measures that ensure a secure and private browsing experience. Step 10. Enhancing security measures. Activate additional security protocols by ticking the checkboxes displayed on the screen to fortify your VPN connection with supplementary encryption and safeguarding features. Step 11. Initiating secure browsing session. Complete the setup process by clicking on the Connect button to establish a secure and encrypted browsing session, leveraging your personalized custom SNI settings for enhanced online security. Conclusion. Congratulations on successfully configuring custom SNI settings with HA Tunnel Plus VPN. Amplify your online security measures by engaging with us through likes, subscriptions, and comments to show your support. Join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels for ongoing insights and assistance on your journey towards enhanced privacy and encryption. Thank you for prioritizing your digital security with us.